Okay, so we will continue with the topic coding and decoding. This is now the fourth question of the topic. Question 4. In a certain code, you can, I hope you all are writing these questions in your copies. You're writing them?
Yes, sir.
In a certain code, tiger is written as G R T V I. GRTVI. What is the code for same words, sniper? Coding is different. I'm using the same words. In exams, you may get different words. It is not compulsory that you are going to get the same word tiger. Words could be different, but the
Excuse
main
me,
thing
sir.
is you should concentrate on the type of coding. Okay. Coding could be in a
Excuse me,
different
sir.
manner. Yes,
Sir, we have already done this question.
we have already done
Yes,
this.
sir.
This.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm changing it. Okay. The same coding was there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to change the coding. 7,
Okay, sir.
18, 20, 22, and 9.
Sir, your screen is not visible clearly to me.
Because there is some network problem at your end.
Okay, sir.
7, 18, 20, 22, and 9. This is the code for tiger. Decode this and give me the code of the words for the words sniper and board. Try it. Done?
Sir, I have sent both the answers in the chat box.
Okay.
Sir, please tell the correct answer.
Yes. Okay. How the coding for tiger is done? First of all, the letter T. Here the number for the letter code for the letter T is given 7. Now you have to look at the letter opposite to T, which is the letter alphabet opposite to T, that is G. T के opposite side में which letter is there?
G.
G is the
G.
letter which is opposite to T. And the numerical equivalent of G is written 7. Okay. Similarly for I also, the letter opposite to I is R and the numerical equivalent of R is 18. So we have written 18 here. Then next is G. G, the opposite letter of G is T and the number for T is 20. 20. Okay. E, the letter opposite, the alphabet opposite to E is V, and then you have to write the numerical equivalent of V, which is 22. 22 we have written here. And R, letter opposite to R is I, and the number for I is 9. So 9 is written here. So this is how the coding of tiger is done. In the same manner, you have to do the coding for sniper and bolt. I hope you all can do this now.
Sir, my answer was correct.
S, yeah, very good. S, the letter opposite to S is H, and the number for H is 8. First letter will be 8. N, 13. Okay. I will be 18. P, 11. E, 22. And R, 9. This is the answer for sniper. Let's see for board also. 25,
Sir,
12, 26, 9.
Sir, I don't understood.
22. Beta,
Sir, I don't know. Sir of sniper.
get the first letter S.
Yes, sir.
Mic off, keep your mic.
Sir, S.
Keep the mic off. First letter is S. And the alphabet opposite to S. Which is the alphabet opposite to S? It is H. You have to write the number of the opposite letter. Write the number of the opposite letter. 8. So 8 will come here. In all the letters, you have to do the same thing. N, the alphabet opposite to N is M. N के opposite कौन सा है? M. And the number for M is 13. 13. It should be, sorry, yeah, 13. Okay. I, letter opposite to I is R, and the number for R is 18. Okay. So simple, it is very simple. You have to just write the number of the opposite letter. Write the number of the opposite
So,
letter.
sir, when we will reasoning test will be there, we have to draw this whole 1, 2, 3 and ABCD
Yes.
like this.
Yes. In the same
Okay,
manner,
sir.
you have to write in your copies, in your rough notebook, anywhere. Only then you will be able to do it. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the questions.
And sir, we have to start ABCD from A to Z.
From A to M, write from A to M, left to right, and below M you write N, and then go from right to left. Okay,
Okay, sir.
ready for the next one, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. I am not changing the words. Just going to change the type of coding again. So, going to make it a little difficult slowly. 9, 7, 5, 18, 20. 9, 7, 5, 18, 20. Tiger. Find the code for sniper and bolt. Done. Okay, I'm giving you the hint.
Sir, I know.
Sir, I know, sir. Sir, I know, sir.
Sir, I
Please
also
don't
know.
Yeah. So give your answers in the chat box. Those who have understood. Those who have understood, they can give their answers in the chat box.
tell. 7 का N का आ गया 11 11 और फिर I का आ गया 7 और फिर P का आ गया P का आ गया
Give your answers in the chat box. Those who have done,
और फिर
will keep your mics off.
Sir, I have given answer in the chat box.
Beta, Ashfa, it is incomplete. It is incomplete.
Sir, please write the correct answer.
Sir,
Okay, I'm
please
telling you how
wait.
we have done the coding for tiger. Just have a look at this. I know you all can do it very easily if you understand this very easily. You will do it. So the code is given 9751820. I'm writing the code also 9751820. This is the code for tiger. Now have a look at this. What is the number for I? I का number क्या है? What is the number for I? 9.
Sir, 9.
It is written here. Number for G is 7. Here. Number for E is 5. Here it is written. And number for R is 18. And then the number for T is written at the last. So we have shifted one place. The codes of all the letters are shifted to the left side one place. And then the code of the first letter is written at the last. First letter का जो code है वो last में लिख दिया है बस. Only this is the difference. Understood all of you or not? Now can you do for sniper?
Sir, I have given the full answer in the chat box.
Correct.
Sir, I forgot
Now
to write
now
for
your
it.
answer is correct. Ashfa. Very good. Others give the answer. Give the answer, all of you. Beta, why are you all not giving the answers in the chat box? I am waiting for your answers. Others, why are you not giving your
Sir, I
answers?
am. Sir, I am.
I am
Sir,
typing.
I am typing, sir.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Bhakti has sent the answer.
Sir, I am typing.
Bhakti, your answer, there is some mistake in your first answer. Check your first one.
ओके सर फर्स्ट में आ गया इसका नाम देखो पहले पी का हम देखेंगे पी का है 16 and
Second one is correct. Ashfa, your second one is also correct.
and
Okay, sir.
पी का है 5 आर का है 8
Asit Gangwar, your first one is correct. Abhi Anduhan, your first one is correct. I tell you the answer of the first one. I'm writing the answer. First one. Fourteen, 9, 16, 5, 18, 19. This is the answer for the first one. Second one, 15, 1, 18, 4, 2. 15, 1, 18, 18, 4, 2. This is the answer for the second one. Yeah. Done, all of you? I'm giving the next one.
Yes, sir.
Next one. It is an easy one. I hope you all can do this without my help. V K I G T. VKIGT. This is the code of sniper and board.
Sir, I got the answer.
Very good. Tell me your answer. Done?
Sir, I have sent the first one.
Okay. Correct. That's why your first one is correct.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Yeah, others?
Sir, I have sent the first one.
I have sent the first.
Asit Gangwar, correct answer, very good. Ansharya also has given the correct answer, very good. Well done, Ashfa, Asit and Ansh. सबके नाम ए से शुरू होते हैं. I'm going to tell this one. Skip one letter. This is what we have done in this. T के लिए देखिए, you skip one letter in the English alphabet. You all know the English alphabet. T के बाद एक letter.
Yes, sir.
तो T U V. T के बाद एक letter skip करके क्या आता है V. So it is V. And I skip a letter, you will get K. Okay, so K is the code for I. So G, now G, you skip a letter, you will get I. So in place of G, we have written I. And then E, for E again skip a letter, you will get G. And finally for R के बाद you skip one letter, you will get T. So this is the code for tiger, VKIGT. Sniper, U P K R G T. This is the code for sniper. D Q C T F. This is the code for bold. Take your answer.
Sir, my both answers were correct.
So my both answers are
It
correct.
has also given the correct answers. There is some mistake in the first one. Asit has given correct both. Ansharya also correct. Very good. भरत बेटा माइक ऑफ कर लो. तुम्हारे खाने की खुशबू यहाँ तक आ रही है. Question number 7. U 9 H 5 S. U9H5S.
Sir, it is very easy. Sir, I got the answer. I am just typing it.
Yeah, very good. Give your answers, all of you. U9H5S.
Sir, I also got the answer.
Sir, I have sent the first answer.
Very good.
Sir, I have also sent the first answer.
Very good.
Sir, I have sent the second answer also.
Very good, beta.
Sir, please tell the correct answer.
Yeah. All of you see what is the pattern? We have simply written the next letter after T. The next letter after T in English alphabet is U. Okay. So U. Then for the second letter I, we have written the number for the letter. The number for the letter I is 9. 9 is the number. Then for third one again, we have written the next letter. G ke baad next letter is H. Okay, so we have written H and E. Again, for the fourth one, we will write the number which is 5. You will write the number 5, and then again the last letter I, R. For R, you will write the next letter which is S. Okay, so this is how you will do it. So one in the first one you will write the next letter, in the second one you will write the number for the given letter. So alternately you will do this and you will get the answer. So S, what is the next letter after S? It is T. N, what is the number for N? It is 14. I, the next letter after I is J. Then for P, you will have to write the number, which is 16. E, the next letter after E is F. And R, you have to write the number for R, which is 18. So your answer is T14, J16, F18. This is the answer for the first one. Got it, all of you? First one. Now,
Yes,
all
sir,
those
got it.
who have not done, now they have understood. You can try the second one now. All those who have not understood, who I hope you all have understood now. Now you all, those who have not done, they can try the second one now.
Sir, like that you have given the option sniper and board. So, sir, in the exam there will come any word.
Yes, it could be any word.
Okay, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Wait, beta. Done the second one also, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.